Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn about addition. Addition. In a simple word, addition means putting two or more things together and counting them all. Putting two or more things together and counting them all. That is a simple definition of addition. For example, here I have three figures in here and three figures in one box. In another box, there are two figures. In one box, three figures, and in the other box, two figures. So, how many figures are there in all? How many figures are there in these two boxes? That is the addition. So let's count it together according to the definition. Counting them all. First, let's put it together. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3 from the first box, and another two things from the second box. 1, 2. So let's count it together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So all together 5. That is the addition. It's very simple, right? 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. When you count it together, we got 5. That means 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. That is the addition. Okay. So this sign is a sign of addition, and it is called plus. The sign is this one. It is called plus. That is the meaning of addition. It's very simple. Now today we are going to learn about addition of three numbers. Addition of 3-digit numbers. Here is the example. 348 plus 276. How will plus these two numbers, 348 and 276? See, in the addition, sometimes we need to regroup the number. Regroup means this one, ones, tens, hundred. How many digits are there? 1, 2, 3, 3 digits, and this one, 1, 2, 3. 3 digits number. These are 3-digit number. There are 3 different numbers. Here also 3 different number. Ones, tens, hundred. Here also ones, tens, hundred. See, we are going to regroup the number in here. First, 348, 300, 100, 40, and 8. 340 and 8. So 300 is in the 100th place. 340 is in the 10th place. 40 and 8 is in the 1st place. So 348. We can rearrange like this. The first number and the next number 276 also. 276. This is rearranging the number. So let's plus. When we are going to plus any number, first we should start from the last number, from the 1st place, not from the first number. We must always start from the last number. In here, the last two numbers are 8 and 6. So let's plus first 8 and 6. 8 plus 6 is 14. 8 plus 6 is 14. But if you write 14 like this, it is not correct, because we still have another number. 4 and 7, 3 and 2 also. That's why we cannot write the whole number of 14. Instead of that, we will write 14 here and cancel the last one, that is 4 in here. So we will write 4. 1 is still remaining. The remaining number 1. will go to the next place here, 1. So the next number that we're going to plus are 1, 4 and 7. Not only 4 and 7. We also need to plus 1. We also need to add 1 in here because we have the remainder here. So let's try to plus all these 3 numbers. 1, 4 and 7 together. 1 plus 4 is 5. 5 plus 7 is 12. So we can write 12 here and cancel the last one, that is 2, and write 2 here. Again, there is another remainder here, that is 1. So this remainder will go to the next number here. And the last number that we are going to plus are not only 3 and 2. Those are 1, 3 and 2 together. So let's plus it. 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 plus 2 is 6. So 6 will come out. So that means 348 plus 276 is 624. 624. This is our final answer. So I hope you understand this one. That is simple. Addition of 3-digit number. 1, 2, 3. 3-digit. 1, 2, 3. 3-digit. And when we are going to add these numbers, first we need to arrange like this first. 1s in the 1s place, 10s in the 10s place, and 100 in the 100 place, and start adding from the last number, from 1's place, not from the first number. We will always start from the last number, and if there is a remainder, don't forget to keep the remainder in the next digit place. That is simple, right? So when you plus these 2 numbers, we got 624. Now let's try to do another example. This is example 1. Example 2. 573 plus 28. Again, in this question, first we will regroup the number into 100, 10s and 1s place. The first number is 573, so let's arrange this first. 573, 500, this is 500, so in the 100 place, we will write 5, 7, this is in the 10th place, 3, this is in the 1st place. And the next number is only 28, 1, 2, only 2 digits. So how will arrange these, how will regroup these in here? 28. Any idea? Okay. Look at this carefully. 28. 28 is 20 and 8. 28 is 20 and 8. So 20 is how many digits? Only 2 digits, right? 1, 2. Only 2 digits. So let's count from the last. 1, 2. That means 23 is the 10th place. 10 digit number. 2 digit number. Right? 23 or 1, 2, only 2 digit number. So we'll write 2 below 10 digit place and 8 should be below 1's place. This is how to arrange the numbers. Some of you may think that 578 plus 28 will be below 20, below 5 and 7, like this. Some of you may try to arrange like this, but it is not correct. You should know that 28 is only 2 digits. So count from the last, 1, 2. So you will start from the 10th place only. I hope you understand that one. This is the correct way how to arrange the number. So after arranging the numbers, now let's start adding the numbers. See, like I told you before, whenever you do addition, always start from the last number, not from the first number. You must always start from the last number, from the ones place. Now, the last two numbers are 3 and 8. 3 and 8. 3 plus 8 is 11. Right? 11 here, and you can set the last number, and this last number will move below the numbers, and here is the remainder. 1 is the remainder, and this remainder will go to the next number, and we will write 1 here. Now, the next numbers that we are going to plus are 1, 7, and 2. 1, 7, and 2. Not only 7 and 2. See, 1 must also be added in the next number because 1 is the remainder from the first number. So, let's try to add these three numbers. 1 plus 7 is 8. 8 plus 2 is 10. Right? 10 here. And cancel the last one. And 0. The last one, 0, will move here. And again, in this, we have another remainder, that is 1. So, 1, the remainder will move to the next number again. Now, for the last one, the number we're going to plus are 1 and 5. 1 plus 5 is 6. Now, we got the answer. We can write our final answer here. 573 plus 28 is 601. This is our final answer. I hope you all understand how to do addition of 3-digit number. The rules are very simple, and I hope you can do another questions by yourself also. That's all for today, and I'm going to give you the assignment for this week. Your assignment will be making 5 questions of your own. 5 questions of your own. Making 5 questions of your own and answer it and send your answer copy to your class teacher within this week. The last date of submission of your assignment is 16th of this month, that is this coming Saturday. Thank you all.